Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home decor solutions with one of the best in the market, the 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger. If you're looking for a reliable way to hang heavy items like mirrors, art, or large photos without the hassle of studs or anchors, this might just be the perfect solution for you. The 3M Claw Picture Hanger comes in a variety pack that includes 3 15-pounds, 3 25lb, and 2 45lb hangers, all made from toughened steel. What sets these apart is their unique design that allows them to grip securely into drywall, making installation a breeze. Customers have praised these hangers for their reliability and ease of installation. They eliminate the frustration of finding studs, making them ideal for renters or anyone wanting a damage-free hanging solution. The spot markers included in the pack ensure you get the positioning right every time, minimizing any guesswork. Compared to traditional methods like nails or anchors, the 3M Claw offers a more versatile and damage-free alternative. It's reusable, which means you're not stuck with holes in your walls if you decide to redecorate. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and strong drywall hanger that can handle a variety of heavy items, the 3M Claw Picture Hanger is a top contender. Its sturdy construction, ease of installation, and reusable nature make it a favorite among homeowners and decorators alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. Also, let me know in the comments below if you've tried these hangers and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.